All men have some place on their dresser to store their wallet, change, and keys. This could be a simple bowl or something a little bit fancier. It becomes a problem though for an EDC guy that carries watches, knives, pens, and flashlights as well. So what's the solution? In this video, we're going to do an unboxing and discuss one of those fancier solutions to store your everyday carry items. Let's go inside and check out this new Valet. Welcome back to Blade Insider, where we discuss all things knives. Knife nuts are bound to have a bunch of different knives, and the more knives you have, the more ways you're going to need to store them. So we're going to discuss some of the ways I store my knives, and I hope these videos will give you some ideas on how to store and display the knives in your collection. In this episode, we're going to discuss the online retailer Drop and their Display Valet. This is going to be the first video of a three-part series discussing different ways to store your knives. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for new weekly content. And if you got something out of this video, hit the like button below. As always, I love to read your comments, so feel free to tell me what's on your mind in the comment section below. Drop, formerly known as Mass Drop, is an online retailer. They sell niche items and generally high-end products. What they do is pull everyone's buying power together and order a larger amount of an item at a discounted price. What you gain in savings, you lose in time. You can wait several weeks to a month for an item to be delivered. So it's not the retailer you want to go to when you need something in a day or two. I've ordered a couple items from Drop. The wait has not been awful, and if you sign up for their emails, you can get a fairly good discount code on your first order. I scored a really good deal on a knife maintenance kit. The kit included Torx screwdrivers, a mat, and a really nice leather strap. I paid $30 for it, when if I bought the items individually, it would have been $70 or $80. This leads me to my new item. On my dresser, I keep my pocket items in a bowl. It can become quickly disorganized. Compounding this problem is my everyday carry items. I have a lot of knives, and I do not carry all of them. But there are several I like to carry depending on the day and the need. So I looked for a solution to organize the top of my dresser and to have space to store all of my favorite carry knives and everyday carry items. Hopefully, I found this solution with the Drop Display Valet. The Drop Valet is a chest that combines watch boxes, pen cases, knife displays, and dump trays all in one chest. It should be able to store 7 knives, 3 watches, sunglasses, pens, flashlights, and hopefully pocket change. Let's go to the bench and check out the Drop Display Valet. All right, well, let's open up the box. All right, so I'm quite pleased about how the unit was packaged. Doesn't appear to be any damage from shipping. Well, okay, well here is the unit. The unit itself has the dimensions of 15 inches by 12 inches by 4.7 inches. It weighs 8.5 pounds. Now, the panel is an acrylic plastic panel, so it's not glass. It's not going to shatter. The outside slate is a faux leather. It's very soft and supple to the touch. It feels very nice, very high end. Here on the back side, we have the USB port in which you can put a USB cable into the unit in order to power your watch and or your phone. On the back side of the unit is a pedestal. This pedestal is covered with a microfiber type material. Again, it shows the quality of the manufacturing. Turn this around and open the unit up. The inside, again, is gray and it's coated with that microfiber fabric. Now this inside is not squishy, but it does have that fabric feel. The fabric is soft. Your knives or other valuables are not going to get scratched laying on top of this fabric. Here we have room for 3 watches, and each of these sponge units can be taken out and the space can be used as a dump tray. Here's a space for your wallet or phone. Put your phone there, wallet. Unit will close right up. Spot for 2 pens and or 4 flashlights. We have a dump tray here, which is removable and movable. We have a spot for 7 knives for each day of the week, and this tray is removable. And underneath it are 2 dump trays. Again, you could put your phone here. Now, in this spot is where the USB cable will come in and either power your phone here or here. Or if you have a tiny phone, perhaps there. I don't know if you can see, but these hinges are metal. And the fixtures are screwed in. This is all coated with the faux leather. Here we have metal hardware for the locking mechanism. And right here as well. Well, that's the Drop Display Valet. The product seems very well made and worth the price of $120. I'm enjoying the slate gray color and the microfiber fabric inside. The acrylic display is really sharp, but will eventually collect some dust. It does have the USB cable slot in the back of the unit to charge your phone. The hardware is sharp and the unit locks. There is an optional storage drawer that can be stacked under the valet. This is an additional $50. The pros of this valet are the slate gray color, the microfiber fabric inside. The unit is hefty and modular to allow you to modify it according to your needs. The cons of the valet are the fact that the screws were not flush in the hinge mechanism of the lid. All in all, I really like this item and would purchase it again. I hope you got something out of this video, and if so, hit the like button below. Are you looking for a valet? Do you own something else to carry your EDC items? Leave your comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for new weekly videos. We'll see you next week.